Well, you probably already know it. I'm going to review Ratchet Gladiator. If you don't, then you know it now. BattleBots. Okay. Well, there we go then. Let me see. A new game. I'll do this because it ain't important. I'm doing it constant. Exterminator. Come on already. Wanna make it hard for me? Oh, too much the sound. That has to be it.
Gotcha. A dramatic conclusion to one of the most exciting episodes of Dread Zone I have ever seen. Captain Starshield, the #1 ranked gladiator, has been terminated by Ace Hardlight. Ace has now eliminated a record 13 contestants in the regular season.
Okay. Hey, I know that ship. That's from Resident Evil 3. Hey, what's that big chair?
Incoming call from the mayor of Metropolis. The new mayor of Metropolis.
Oh, you mean, right. Just a sec.
I know her also.
Greetings, Mayor. No. Well, long time no see. No.
Hey, isn't that the
so
same
Metropolis
suit?
still in one piece?
Without the helmet?
Greetings, Captain. I see you're taking good care of my old ship.
Well, she needs a lot of tuning up, but I've kept her running.
Of course. Anyway, I'm afraid I bring bad news. As you know, Captain Starshield disappeared over a month ago. I've just been informed that he's been killed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
What
He's
happened?
dead.
Apparently he was involved with some kind of illegal combat sport. Something called Dread Zone. We believe it was being run by this man, Gleeman Vox. He operates an underground media empire from within the Shadow Sector.
The Shadow Sector?
It's a lawless region of space on the fringe of the galaxy. Many other heroes have disappeared recently, and we fear that they might have met with the same fate. Ratchet, I just wanted to warn you before...
Unidentified craft approaching.
You the longbacks known as Ratchet.
I don't suppose you guys are here to fix the starboard engine, huh?
Ooh. Metallic. Okay.
Yeah.
We've captured subject 209, Mr. Vox.
Excellent. Bring him in.
Yes, sir. We caught 2 strays in the process. Should we terminate them?
Give him collars and see if you can get some work out of them first.
Oh my goodness. Big Al up close.
Hello in there. Can you hear me? You've been unconscious for hours. You're probably a little disoriented. How many fingers am I holding up?
4.
Whoops. Looks like we've got a feedback loop in the visual matrix processor. Hold still a second. How's that? Okay, now to activate your speech function.
Me out of this thing, you blard-headed frack monkey! I can barely breathe and my tail feels like it's shoved right up my...
There seems to be a problem with the speech circuitry. I'll take a look at it later.
Yeah,
Now
right.
hold still. Let's just see if I wired that teleportation circuitry right. The new armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestants?
We will explain later. If you do not complete the qualification course in the allotted time, we will all be terminated.
What are you wearing, Ratchet?
We must calibrate your battlesuit's targeting matrix. First, look over at the hollow target on your left.
You can easily
Turn to face the
spin
hollow
to
target
that.
on the right, then fire.
Yeah, okay, I'll fire. Switch to magma cannon? No.
Good. Now shoot the hollow target above you.
All right, Ratchet. Your movement circuit should be in working order now. Try getting to the top of that ledge.
Now do that right after I change something in the sound. Control option, third person. Choose weapons now.
This is the weapon screen.
I'm using a magma cannon for this. Only just this.
I am transmitting a digital mini-map representation of the area. Can you see it?
Actually,
The
I
mini-map
can.
will show you the positions of nearby enemies.
Yeah.
I am reading 3 more hollow targets in your vicinity.
This is actually something like the shock cannon. So, if you're really good with the shock cannon, you'll probably will be okay with this weapon actually. And here,
Good, right?
actually just
There
a
should
shock
be a
cannon.
teleporter nearby that will take you to the next stage of the qualification course.
Only it's really more powerful than the shock cannon. That's everything actually. Okay, let's finish this in record time. Okay, this walks behind. Sorry people, it's about my PlayStation.
Greetings, hero, and welcome to Dread Zone.
Told you.
Rest assured, you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program that Galaxy has ever known. A celebrity gladiator, battling for the pleasure of 1 billion screaming fans across the Shadow Sector and beyond. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom. So, good luck, hero. We'll be watching you.
Okay. I'm a little bit scared. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll put the subtitles on, because that subtitles is really stupid. Okay. Subtitles, widescreen. Turn off the music, the dialogue. No, that's actually. Okay.
Ratchet, I have figured out a way to get information to you without Vox knowing. Pay attention to secret messages at the bottom of your screen. At the top of your screen is the experience bar. As you destroy enemies, you gain experience. When the bar is full, you will gain a level, and your nanotech will increase.
Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? Metallic ball thingies. What are those things? Get them away from me already! Die already! I mean, ow!
And use the left analog stick
Knock it
or the
off
right analog
already!
stick to select any weapon.
Thank you!
Note the deadlock collar securely fastened around your neck. This collar cannot be broken or removed. Should you stray into any restricted area, the collar will administer an extremely painful shock. Observe.
I hate this job.
Should a contestant
That even
become
can hurt a
uncooperative,
robot.
worse,
Okay.
boring, his or her collar can be detonated at any time with the push of a button.
That must hurt.
There you have it. Nothing to lose your head over. Right?
Ha, what a great joke! Ha, nothing to lose your head over. What a big
Congratulations,
joke!
Ratchet.
Well, I
You
hate
made it
these
through the
jokes.
qualification course.
Yeah, okay. Fine with me. Ugh.
Wow, this place is crazy.
Okay.
I always wondered what it'd be like to be a professional gladiator. I mean, these guys have the life, the fame, the money, the things.
Try not to forget that we are being held prisoner by a criminal organization. This is no time for fantasizing.
Well, no. That's it.
Welcome, hero, to your new living quarters. Your
Okay, I have to
luxury
stop now.
containment
I wasn't
suite is
going
equipped
out
with
really.
everything you will need as a contestant on Dread Zone.
Bye, people.
Please make yourself comfortable. You'll
most likely be spending the rest of your life here.
Okay, bye.